Good morning, children. So, I welcome you all again. Before proceeding with the lesson, I would like to recall what we learned in the last class. In the last class, we came to know about the deep love and concern of Mrs. Pomfrey and even her entire staff towards Tricky, who is being sent off to surgery. They had even tears in their eyes, and after reaching to surgery, Tricky was quite listless. Still, he was lazy, simply lying. And Mr. Harriet, he started his treatment and keeping in his observation. First of all, he stopped his food and he kept for 2 days only on water without providing any food to Tricky. Now, gradually the changes could be seen when Tricky himself started taking effort to get his food, and he started spending a good time with other dogs, moving out in the ground and playing with them. On the other hand, Mrs. Pomfrey was very curious to know about Tricky's health, and very often she used to call Mr. Harriet, the doctor of Tricky. And when she came to know about the recovery of the dog, she even started sending the dozens of eggs and wine just again to regain the Tricky's health. Okay, so till here we studied, and let's continue this lesson. Now look in your book, children. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. So, what we came to know here in this para, all these things means the wine and the eggs, they were being sent, all these food items were sent for Tricky's health to regain again. Okay, according to Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky had become so weak, so she wanted Tricky to regain his health again. She was started sending all such things. Okay, but now this lunch had become a ceremonial occasion, means now these food items were the things to enjoy. By whom? By Mr. Harriet and all the other members working in the surgery. Okay, ceremonial means of any ceremony, like a occasion. They started celebrating the 2 glasses of wine every time they had before the meal, and even sometimes during the meal. And also they even could believe that not only the wine, but they could also enjoy the brandy, okay, which was being sent by Mrs. Pumphrey for Tricky's constitution here means just for his health, to build up his health. And for few nights they all enjoyed and drank. Reverently means with respect. Okay, inhale means they used to take inside everything whatever they were getting, and they were with respect having all such things which were sent for Tricky. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So now Mr. Harriet is saying that those days when they were enjoying all these things, special things which were being sent for Tricky's strength, and they were the days of full content, satisfaction for them. They were fully satisfied because from the morning onwards they started enjoying the eggs, and midday they used to enjoy the wine, and luxuriously they were living the life till Tricky was at the surgery, because Tricky was not provided all such things by the doctor. So all these things were enjoyed by Mr. Harriet and all his members. Okay, and they had the brandy round the fire at night. Next, it was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pomfrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Now, it was a temptation to keep Tricky. You can understand, children, temptation means attraction. They were too much fascinated and attracted by all such things. So they were getting tempted that till the Tricky will be at surgery, they would be able to enjoy all such things which they were getting, like eggs and wine and everything. Okay, so they the doctor even had the temptation that the Tricky should be the permanent guest now. He should not leave the surgery. But he even knew that Mrs. Pomfrey, she was suffering means she was getting worried here. After a fortnight means after the 15 days of time, she would be too much worried, and so he was compelled, okay, to call up and tell her that the dog had recovered and was waiting for collection means, and the dog can be taken back home, okay, so that she may get relaxed. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pomfrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better?" So, as soon as the call reached from home from Mr. Harriet to Mrs. Pomfrey about the recovery of the dog's news, within minutes, okay, it didn't take time for Mrs. Pomfrey to reach there. So, a 30 feet of gleaming black, gleaming means shining. A black metal here refers to the car, a shining black car, okay, it just reached outside the surgery, and it was 30 feet long. A luxurious car came over there. The chauffeur means the driver. He opened the door, and I here means Mr. Harriet. He could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pomfrey almost lost in the interior. Now, she was getting so anxious to come out and to meet Tricky, and her hands were tightly clasped. She had caught her hands tightly, okay, just because she couldn't believe that so soon Tricky had recovered and she had arrived there to take him back. So her hands were caught and her lips trembled. Tremble means while talking, her lips were shaking, moving, okay, and in that trembling lips, she asked to Mr. Harriet that is it really true what she is hearing, that Tricky had recovered from illness, he had gone better. Yes, he's fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. So, here Mr. Harriet replied that really Tricky has got fine, he has recovered, and he even asked Mrs. Pomfrey not to move out of the car, and he will only bring Tricky out and give it to her. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. Now here, a transformed dog is being explained over here, that now how was the Tricky when he came first to surgery, and now after the 15 days how he is looking. So when Mr. Harriet, he crossing the garden, he went into the house, a mass of dogs, mass means a large number of dogs, they were moving unsteadily over there in the lawn, and in their midst, among those dogs, a beautiful creature, that is a golden figure, could appear there, okay, and who was that? Tricky, flapping his ears, okay, and waving his tail, moving his tail, and in a golden color, he was looking so beautiful. In 2 weeks, he had transformed means fully changed. So he was moving his ears, he was moving his tail, and looking to Mr. Harriet, and he had transformed completely. In these 2 weeks, he had changed into a what hard muscled animal. Now he couldn't be seen as the lethargic or inactive one, but now he is hard muscle into a lead means flexible. His body had got flexible. He was keeping up very well. Okay, in the pack here refers to the group. So with the group of the dogs he was keeping well. Stretching out means now here he was expanding his body in great bounds means jumps. He was expanding his body, he was jumping and doing all such activities, showing his full strength over there. And his chest also could be seen now brushing the ground means just he was moving very smoothly from the ground. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pomfrey's lap. She gave a startled "Oh!" and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. You can see the reactions of the dog seeing his mistress again, children. See, I here is Mr. Harriet. He just carried the dog and he brought to the car where Mrs. Pomfrey was waiting anxiously. Okay, and when he came there with the dog, he saw that the driver was still holding the car door open, and seeing Mrs. Pomfrey means Tricky, when he saw his mistress, his owner, okay, he took off from my arms means he jumped out from the doctor's arm in a tremendous meaning is in a great leap means jump. He gave a great jump and sailed means he ran off into Mrs. Pomfrey's lap. Okay, lap, you know, children the child usually child used to sleep in the mother's lap, you might have heard. Okay, so this also Tricky also, he here ran off into Mrs. Pomfrey's lap, and she gave a startle means she was amazed seeing Tricky in such a situation, and she gave an expression "Oh!" and she had to defend herself here. Okay, when Tricky started to swarm over her, swarm means to climb over her, he started climbing over her and started licking her face means with the tongue he started licking the face of his mistress, and started barking means he's showing his love towards his mistress, that how eager he too was there to go back his home. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and balls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pomfrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is the triumph of surgery." So, during that excitement time, okay, Mr. Harriet, he helped the driver to bring out all those things, you remember, children, which were being given by the entire staff when Tricky was being sent to surgery. What were that? The Tricky's beds, different toys, cushions, even his different coats, and the balls. Okay, for 3 different meals 3 different balls were given, which were not at all used by Mr. Harriet. Okay, so all these were things were brought back again from the house and being placed in the car. And when the car started moving, Mrs. Pomfrey, she leaned out, means she just bent out of the window, and tears were rolling down from her eyes, still her lips trembling. Okay, trembling means moving, so it was shaking. So still she couldn't really believe that Tricky had again got into the better condition as before. So she just cried, means she just said in a loud voice that really she was too much thankful. There were no words for thanking to show the gratitude to Mr. Harriet, And here that's why it is said it is a triumph, means it was really a victory of surgery, that hospital who treated Tricky back again, and it was just given to Mrs. Pumphrey in a very well condition as before. So here we come to the end of the chapter, children. I hope you understood. Just recall it and try to understand it thoroughly. Till the next chapter, goodbye and have a nice day.